What's up, everybody? This is Chris here. You know me good and well. So that's a dead tree. You might recognize it from whenever I did that tomahawk video, right? Well, my dad's pushing it over with the tractor because it's dead and we're gonna replace it with a pine tree. Here we go. This doesn't work, we're using a chainsaw. It's a tiny chainsaw. My dad brought his big chainsaw. That sounded really weird, but it's all right. I'm honestly low-key hoping this doesn't work so we can use the chainsaw. There's the rotted side. Here's the chainsaw I'm gonna use. It's so freaking tiny. It's like, here's a scale of it to my hand. It's so freaking tiny, but oh well. I mean, this tree's gone through worse. Step back. You can see where the tractor bucket went into the tree there on the side. Dude, it's like lifting up the tractor. I think he's giving up. I think. He needs to get like a running start at it from way over there. Just beeline it and then just slam into it. Oh, here it goes! Yeah! Woo! And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Now, what we're gonna do I'm officially putting my mark into it. There we go. I put my mark into it. Okay guys, so I think this officially means no more tomahawk videos. There's my dad, the awesome driver of the tractor.
Howdy.
That's a delicate road system. Is that the word?
Complex, maybe.
Complex, yeah. So, guys, hope you like this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. Stay awesome. And goodbye.